Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we are here with Culture Carton. If you are not familiar with Culture Carton, this is a monthly men's subscription box. Every standard package, which is $45, comes with one book and an assortment of essential lifestyle items. I do have a coupon code for 20% off this box. It's TREE. I'll put that down in the description and along with a link to Culture Carton. They do additionally have just the lifestyle items for $35, and they do also have just the book for $16. The coupon code does not work for those, FYI, just so you know. I will also link, besides my link to Culture Carton, I'll also link to my full review on my blog. If you don't go there, you need to go there. It's a cool place where we can all hang out. Anyway, like this video. I always forget to say that. I know that's like a thing. Does that actually work? I wonder. When people tell you to like a video, do you like the video? I don't know. I always think like that's like, I'm like, no, I don't ever like the video. That's because I watch on my TV and I can't like the video. I should go back and like the video. It's the right thing to do. Anyway, we're gonna get in here. So there's these bags, which I will leave for my kitten. I did get a kitten. Did I tell you there's that? You'll meet him eventually. He's not here. My other cat, Pilgrim, is here, but not my kitten. He is so sweet. His name is Henry, and he is just the loveliest love bug of all the love bugs. And he loves kids, and he loves me, and he sits on my face at night and purrs really loud. It's kind of annoying, but also endearing. Do you know what I'm saying? Anyway, do you know what I'm saying? All right, so here is our insert. It's the Stevenson box. On here are all the prices of all the items. We're gonna go over that at the end. All right, so first off is this canvas or linen bag, and there is something in there. Something long. Don't know what yet. Oh, they're skewers. Oh, cool. So these are skewers. I don't know how many are in here. We'll find that out. So is this like a grilling bag? That would be cool. I'd be okay with that. All right. Then we have Flask. By the way, you guys may or may not know, I don't know if I've said it on my channel, and I've completely stopped drinking. Like I just don't drink anymore. So, and by the way, no grievance to people that do. I don't. That's all. So this is a mini flask. This is a little guy. That's kind of cool. This is a 3-ounce flask. So you have 2 shots in here. So there's that. I'll be passing that along. There's a few flasks floating around my house. So, all right. Final lifestyle item is this blue item, which I don't know what this item is. We're gonna find out together. Ooh, is it an apron? Oh, it looks like a Babish apron. Brad Leone. Do you guys watch? Oh my gosh, if you like cooking shows, you have to watch It's Alive with Brad Leone. It's on Bon Appetit. He is amazing. He ferments things. I just love him. I think that he is excellent. It's funny, but I learn a lot. Like, he's silly and kind of goofy, but like he makes really cool stuff that I've never seen made on cooking shows before. So check him out. Brad Leone, It's Alive. So this is the apron. It has a leather strap here. This is from the sous shop. They were in our last box. I love this. I absolutely love this. It has the big pocket here. You can throw all your stuff in it. Oh, I love it. I love it. And it has the straps in the back. This is, I know this box is for men, but I will be using the crap out of it. Here's our other insert. This just tells you about Culture Carton. And then finally we have our book. And this is one of those books with a really cool cover. It's green and purple. I love it. It's by Robert Louis Stevenson, which is why this is called the Stevenson box. I kind of had that idea. This is Treasure Island. I've never actually read this, so I'm super excited. This is a classic, obviously. That was Swiss Family Robinson, my bad. But this is going to be cool to read. And then hopefully my daughter will read it. I'm trying to get her into classics, but she likes like fantasy. So like, what's a fantasy classic? I don't know. Anyway, leave me some stuff down below if you know of any. All right, so let's go over the items and the prices. All right, so the Stevenson box. This month's items celebrate cooking and style. Our first item is an apron that will show you are a man with a plan in the kitchen, or a woman. It will look equally good in a kitchen or behind a grill. Next, a pocket flask for when you want to bring a few ounces of your favorite beverage beyond the confines of your house. Finally, a pack of bamboo cooking skewers, perfect for shrimp, chicken, or vegetables on the grill. Altogether, these 3 items will add a touch of style to your next house party or outdoor grilling season. Our book this month is Treasure Island by Robert Louis Stevenson. The swashbuckling pirate story is an all-time classic. The special edition in this box will bring a fresh look to a classic story. It will make a great addition to your bookshelf. The book is $17. The canvas apron is $60. The pocket flask is $15. The bamboo cooking skewers are $10. So the total box value is $102 for $45. Not a bad grab. If I say so myself, I love that apron. I really, really do. If you're interested in checking out Culture Carton, please do that below and check out my blog. Check out everything. Like this video, all that stuff. Hope you guys like this. I'll see you next time. Bye!